everyone, this is Gloria of Gloria's Cards, and I am coming on again this week to share another card with you, or a couple of cards with you. I am entering this card into Saturday Morning Makes, hosted by Jill Norwood. And if you have not stopped by Jill Norwood's channel, Jill gives us the platform, or sharing a platform with us every Saturday to share crafts that we have not had to, share crafts with each other. It's a platform where, if you don't have time throughout the week, but this is the time that you can make time to craft. And so I just wanted to make sure that I said thank you, Jill, for this platform. Okay, I am also entering this card into Two Crafters, One Design. That's Two Crafters, One Design, and that's hosted by Melissa of Mo Creations, as well as Lisa of UCY I'm a Diva, and myself, okay, at Gloria's Cards, or Gloria's Cards. Okay, so let me show you what I used to create this card. I am using My Favorite Things dynamic typewriter, okay. I am also using Gina Marie chain link rectangle dies, and I am using the largest as well as the next to the largest one. I am also using My Favorite Things balloons here, and I am using this balloon, or I think it's this balloon or this balloon. I think it's this balloon, okay? So I'm using this balloon. And this was a freebie a while ago, and so I thought this would be very nice to use because it looks like typewriter writing. Okay, so I am using this one over here, and it says lots of candles, lots of wishes. Okay, so without further ado, let me show you the card or cards. Okay, and those are the cards, and here's the first one. I used the blue, and I used the balloons here, and I put those behind there because this is a birthday card. Okay, I didn't finish the inside up, but once I realize who is going to, and once I get together, I'll probably go ahead and finish the inside of it out, or out up. Okay, and this is the second one here, and this one I did put on some enamel dots. Okay, that's the card there, and I did use my glossy black accent. My glossy black cardstock. I really love that stuff, guys. All right, and then I used some mirror silver cardstock, and then I haven't finished this one off either, but I just thought they were so cute as birthday cards. Okay, so that is my card for this week. Have a great morning. Thanks for stopping by. Thank you to all my new subscribers. This is Gloria of Gloria's Cards. Bye.